Today is basically our Super Bowl. You know what I'm talking about, right? It's Amazon Prime Days. It's a 2-day event, and the deals are hotter than your favorite flat iron. I scoured through thousands of deals to bring you the absolute best beauty steals. We're talking everything from your favorite cult mascara to game-changing hair products and a whole lot more. We're going to dive into the best beauty bargains that are going to make you look and feel like $1 million without breaking the bank. And many of these rarely, if ever, go on deal. These are items I use all the time and I love. They're tried and true, and the discounts are seriously insane. Oh, and before we go and jump into beauty, even this patio egg chair, which is my favorite piece of furniture to sit on outside, is on deal today for Prime Days. Oh, and this dress, even this dress is. So I put Amazon affiliate links to everything I mentioned in this video. It is in the description and also in the first comment. Let's kick things off with hair care because the deals right now are insane. Color Wow line is on deal. Here are some of my favorites. We have the Pop and Lock. So this one is a really nice high gloss serum. I'll use it on this half of my hair. It just makes it nice and shiny, gets rid of frizz, and you can also use this before you use your hot tools. Another really good one to use before your hot tools, Olaplex 7. This one is also great. You're gonna see that they're very comparable. I kind of alternate between using Olaplex and Color Wow. This one smells really nice as well. And what's nice is it just gets the frizz right out of your hair. Another great one to defrizz, 1 minute transformation. I swear by this stuff. It's a cream, comes out like this. Pop it in your hair and then you can style as normal, or you can just use this as the only thing you put in your hair. And it really does transform your hair so fast. Again, smells absolutely beautiful. Now, if you want a really good conditioner, Olaplex 5. I'm almost out. I'm having it right now in my shower upside down. So I'm so excited for Prime Days because I'm about to restock, and I need to stock up on the shampoo as well. Olaplex, I use the entire line, and I have really credited it to getting my hair just back into good shape. My hair is very dry and can be very dull, and Olaplex and Color Wow make a huge difference. And then between my shampoos, I go about a week. I use a lot of dry shampoo. This one's one of my absolute favorites. It's by the brand Amika. It's called Perk Up, and it rarely goes on deal except during Prime Days. And this stuff's great. You're just gonna shake it, hold it away from your hair, spray it in. I usually go underneath as well, and that's it. If you wanna use this as a volumizer, you can also spray it in, and you'll see it gives you great volume. There are a lot of hair straightening tools on deal today, but there are 3 that I don't think I could live without. That's how much I use them, and the deals are really good on them. So we have my favorite flat iron. This is called the Vanessa Pro. Normally it's pretty inexpensive, but on Prime Deal Day, the discount is so steep. It's insane. So definitely grab one of these. Really easy to run your hair through it, and it doesn't tug on your hair or pull on it, and it makes it nice and sleek. The other one I use very often is the Tymo Ring. It's a straightening comb. So this one you would just brush your hair through it. So you can brush it like that, or you can brush it down. And this can take your hair, especially if you have really thick and wavy hair, from like frizzy and crazy to nice and sleek in no time. I use it all the time. It gets nice and hot. And this part is anti-scald, so you can actually put your hands on it, and it comes with a glove, which I do use as well. So those are 2 of my favorites. The other one on deal, this is called the Revlon One Step. This is the 1.0. They now have a 2.0, maybe even a 3.0, but the original, the 1.0, is fabulous. It is a hair dryer brush. I don't have it plugged in right now, but when it's plugged in, you can put it on either high, low, or cool. And then when you blow dry, it does the air and the heat as you style it. It gets your hair dry so fast. It gives it really good volume. And I promise you, after you get this, you'll never use a blow dryer again. It's that good. And the price on deal day is insane. Let's move on to makeup. So this is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. It is a steal at normal pricing, but right now on Prime Day, it's on deal. You just twist it to get it into the sponge area. You can just dab it in there and then use your finger or a brush and rub it in gently, of course, if you're doing the eye area. but it just completely takes years off your life. It makes you have the nice bright eyes. So goodbye any dark circles. Hello, nice light bright eyes. I'll do the other side so that I am symmetrical. Just makes such a difference, and it's so easy. You don't have to just use it on your eye area. You can use this wherever you have redness. So I tend to get redness in there and on my chin. Just a few seconds and it makes such a difference. Also in my bag of tricks for puffy, tired eyes, these are my favorite eye masks. They're by Grace and Stella. You can even pop them in the fridge if you want to cool them ahead of time. And then you just put them on, drink your morning coffee, get ready. And then when you take them off, you're going to see such a difference. They really do lift and tighten and brighten the eye area. I love these and I love that they're on deal today. And for all of my mascara lovers out there, has everyone tried Essence Lash Princess Mascara? This stuff is basically free today. You can click the link in the description and in the comment to see that deal price. It is already inexpensive on a normal day, but on Prime days, the price just drops. I have one coat on. Let me show you what 2 coats looks like with this. So it really does give your eyes that beautiful fake eyelash effect, but also kind of still looks pretty natural. So I like to just throw this one on and go, and especially stock up on Prime days because the deal is really, really good. Before we move on to skincare, one of my favorites, let's talk nails. This is OPI Bubble Bath. I mean, you can see I've had this quite a long time. One bottle will probably last you at least a decade. It's on deal. This is the best nude natural color. I have it on right now. I just did a coat right before I hit record. It looks great, and this lasts a long time. It's very chip resistant. Best color. If you're looking for a really good nude, grab this today. If you love everything summer, that's my favorite season, you're gonna love Sol de Janeiro. This stuff is on deal right now. So this is the Viral Bum Bum Cream. It's good. This is what it looks like. It's this really like thick, luxurious, amazing smelling body cream. You can use it all over. Really, really hydrating. And then you can also grab number 62. This is a body spray, but also can be used in your hair. Just smells really, really, really good. And again, if you love the smell of summer, you're gonna love this. For skincare, I have already carded the tinted Elta MD sunscreen. I have the clear one. This is a must-have too. But the tinted one I'm really excited about because it's perfect for that no makeup look, and it gives you all the SPF and added benefits. Also in my cart, Elemis Midnight Facial. It is my favorite night cream. I'm out of it, and I actually wait until Prime Day to restock. It is basically like a pillow for your skin. It just makes it all warm while you sleep and hydrates it, so gets rid of wrinkles, and it smells insane. It smells so, so good. I always grab it at Prime Days, so I'm tipping you off right now. Grab it because the deal is good during Prime Days, and then it gets kind of expensive when it's not on deal. For pesky breakouts and hormonal zits, I really recommend the Mighty Patch. They're just these little circular patches that you put on. Watch this. When it goes on, you literally can't even see it. I'll put it like straight in the center of my forehead. Look at that. It blends. I always wear them at night and then take it off in the morning time. So it really does help kind of pull any gunk out and just minimize your blemishes. So these are on deal for Prime Days, and they're really good. So you might want to stock up on these too. For lips, I have 2 Prime Day recommendations. The first is the NYX Fat Oil Lip Drip. This stuff is amazing. Goes on really easily. And it's a really long-lasting lip gloss. I really, really love this stuff. It's usually super inexpensive on a regular day, and then on Prime Deal days, the price drops even lower, which is awesome. So stock up on that. And then I have the travel size right here of the Laneige Lip Mask. This is really good for sleeping, but you can also wear it day or night. It's kind of like, just like a really thicker chapstick. I know I'm putting it on over a lip gloss, so it's hard to tell. But it's really, really hydrating. It smells amazing, and it's a great lip mask to sleep in. Let's round things out with teeth whitening deals because your smile deserves some love too. So these are the Lumino teeth whitening strips, and they are on deal. These are one of my favorite strips. I really like that they just have more natural ingredients and they're good for those who have more sensitive teeth. Plus, they work wonders. So I recommend those. Also, I just started this. This is oil pulling by Guru Nanda, and it's a coconut oil pulling rinse. Recently tried it, and it actually does help whiten your teeth and it freshens your breath, and it's also super natural. So another one that's on deal today that I think you're gonna really like. Whew, that was a lot. Thank you for sticking with me all the way to the end, and trust me, these deals are really good. And I'm not just saying that because I'm earning a commission. I use these products all the time. I cart them and wait until Prime Deal days to do my shopping. Again, it's like our Super Bowl. And I want to give you a word of wisdom about Prime Days. Do not wait to check out. I have made this mistake more than once, thinking I'll just wait till the evening or the final hours of day 2 of Prime Day. And more often than not, the deal actually goes away. The price either goes back to normal or it's just totally sold out and you can't get it at all. So don't make the mistakes I have made. The only other time I see prices that get this low is on Black Friday. So you could wait till Black Friday, but you never know if that brand's gonna be participating in Black Friday. So if you see a good price now, grab it. So hopefully you have a great, fun time shopping. And if you liked this video and found value, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends if they're looking for any beauty products, and make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. And I'll see you on the next video.